Hello, today we are looking at a very special and most hyped phone, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, a photography-focused flagship phone that packs with some of the best camera hardware you will ever find in a smartphone. So without getting late, let's take a closer look at this beast and see if it's worth the hype. 14 Ultra is a stunning phone to look at, with a vegan leather back that is inspired by Leica's iconic M-series cameras. The midframe is made of aluminium. The phone is also IP68 rated. The front of phone is dominated by 6.7-inch 2K LTPO AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. This display also supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and has peak brightness up to 3000 nits. A punch hole cutout for 32-megapixel front-facing camera. But the real star of the show is this massive circular bump at the rear, which houses 450-megapixel cameras, each with different focal length and sensors. The main camera has 1-inch Sony LYT900 sensor, which is largest ever on any smartphone, and has the f1.6 aperture, and a 70mm floating telephoto camera which goes 5x optical zoom. The ultra-wide camera has a 122-degree field of view and same IMX858 sensor as a telephoto. And finally, there is a 120mm periscopic camera with f2.5 aperture. The camera system is co-engineered with Leica, which means it has a legendary Leica image processing and color science. It can record videos up to 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K 60 FPS. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is the most advanced processor available right now, which is also built on 4nm technology, which is power efficient and a peak clock speed of 3.3 GHz. This phone comes with UFS 4.0 storage. This phone runs on HyperOS 1 based on Android 14. The battery capacity of Xiaomi 14 Ultra is 5300 mAh, which lasts up to full working day with a heavy work. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is a remarkable phone with a stunning design and a phenomenal camera setup. It is the best camera flagship phone since it launched. The phone is also very expensive and costs around $1000 in US. It is definitely not for everyone, but if you love to take photos and videos at high quality, then this phone is for you. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video and make sure to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave a comment.